What's up everybody, StevoFS here. How are y'all doing today? I'm doing fantastic. As always, thank you very much for asking. Well, today we got some special guys. I entered in the Sena giveaway for the 20S Evo, and lo and behold, I won. Okay, I'm freaking the dog out. I'm gonna stop with that. But here it is, guys. Came in the mail. I've already opened it up a little bit. Here's my old, this is the original 20S. It's time to replace it because I won one. Yes, thank you, Sena. And I don't remember the lady's name, but I'll put it somewhere over here, maybe here. And thank you very much. But here it is. Open it up. Bam! Congrats. With a little smiley face. Thank you, Sena. And lady, I can't remember your name. Thank you very much. So I got that little sticker. We'll stick that on my helmet. Congrats. A couple stickers. I love stickers. 2 little Sena stickers. Red big Sena sticker and a silver one. I'll put this somewhere. I don't know which. But here it is. This is the main thing. Oh, wait. There's more Sena stickers. I love stickers. Thank you very much. Alright. My dog's freaking out. She don't know what's going on. Alright, here we go. Let's open it up. But it is the 20S Evo motorcycle Bluetooth communication system from Sena. We'll try to open it, but here's the back, guys. Got everything you need. There's 3 different types of mics. It's got Bluetooth 4.1, Bluetooth intercom up to 1.2 miles, 8-way intercom, group intercom, universal intercom, bunch of intercoms, audio multitasking, music sharing, voice command, advanced noise control, easy operating by visual jog dial, smartphone app for iPhone and Android for all y'all people that are still in the Stone Age with Android. No offense. Can be used while charging on the road. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that. Water resistance, manipulate weather, which this thing has been through a lot of rain. For some reason, it always rains when I ride. Built-in FM radio. I use it all the time. Firmware upgradable, awesome. I love that because I've had to upgrade that a lot and it's helped out. And an optional Sena remote control supported. It's not included, so dang. I won't buy it because I don't have the money for that. But if they want to send me one, I'd be glad to use it. Here we go. Let's see what's in the box. Nice, fancy. Ooh, it's so soft. New pillow. Thanks. I needed a pillow. But here it is. The unit itself. It's pretty much the same size. Slight difference. It's got that little shark fin there. And the antenna is... if I can get that up. Well, there's an antenna on this one. I think this takes up for that. But that's the device itself. Here's the what the unit mounts to. Which that seems different. I don't remember my other one had that little question there, but that's nice. Looks good. The speakers. I love these speakers. They work good. I have one in there, but I actually blew my speakers. So this is great that I have new ones now. And let's do that out of here. Alrighty. Let's see what's in here. Instructions, guide, manual, all that good stuff. Everybody needs that. I'll never read it. I still don't know how to use that whole thing. USB charger. Oh, that's cool. Hey, what are those cigarette lighter chargers? Anything else in there? Nope, nothing else in there. And then a bag full of extras. We have the little what are those called? Things to put over your microphone, help with wind noise. A wired mic, which that's what I'm going to use. My last one broke, and I'm actually using that now on that one, but I'm going to change it out. I like that. We have the other mic. This one actually is a sticky Velcro. It looks like Velcro. You can Velcro it on if you need to. You have the little cushions for your speakers. Looks like some Velcro, so you can Velcro those jokers right into the helmet, which I lost the ones for that, and I need them, so that's great, so I can put those in there. Hold on. This I don't know what this is. It's some kind of plug for something. Somebody can let me know what that is. Some cushions if you need to push your speakers closer to your head. Comes in handy. The sticky mount, which is good because I'm gonna have to use that on this one because I can't use the clamp mount because of Icon's design with this. I would have to cut a giant hole pretty much in here so it mounted, and I didn't want to cut a big hole here, so I got it mounted on the side just so I could take this pad out. There is actually 3 tabs here, here, and here. I had to cut that tab out so I could pull this out and put it back in. If not, I would not be able to do that because of the tab. So anybody needs to know that. I might do a how to, maybe, but it's hot outside. I don't want to go outside to do it in my shop. And then these for the Velcro. All right. Well, guys, that's everything that comes in the Sena 20S Evo motorcycle Bluetooth communication system from Sena. You can go to www.sena.com or Revzilla or anywhere, and they got information on it. You can buy it from them. I highly recommend Sena. I've used that for 2 years. Been in all kinds of weather. Works great. Love it. Wish more people had it I rode with, but my buddy actually has one that I gave him. I'll probably give him that one, but he'll have to get new speakers because the speakers are blown, but you can change them out. Buy a new set of speakers and you can change it out. And I'll find something to do with these stickers. Maybe I'll put it on the helmet with my stickers right there. I don't know, we'll find out. We'll see. But I just want to say thanks to Sena and that lady's name that I cannot remember. I'll put it somewhere over here. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I love it. I was wanting to get one. Well, another one, the newer one. You guys are great, awesome. If you guys want to see it, check them out. I highly recommend it. They're great. All right, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you did, hit it anyways. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell button so you guys will be notified when my fantastic videos up, because they're fantastic. Goddammit, yes they are. And for you guys that have been here forever, I love each and every one of you guys. You guys are awesome. Alright guys, as always, peace, love, and unicorns. Stevo out. Don't forget to check out Sena Bluetooth. Love them, great. Bye guys.